We're now being joined by a very special guest, Shah Rukh Khan, joining us. Shah Rukh, thanks so much for joining us. It's a green cause out there. Shah Rukh?
Not at all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I love that scarf around your neck. What all can you do for the environment, Shah Rukh? How passionate are you?
See, one thing that I just like to point out, which I got to know recently when I've been teaching my children, is that there is a new subject that was being taught to them, which wasn't taught to us, which is environmental studies. And I don't remember having that in my school or in my college. And I was made aware the necessity of having something like this taught to our children. So what I try to do is begin at home. I think everything begins at home. Like they say, charity begins at home. I think environmental thought and studies and teaching should begin at home. So the first aspect is that in my own house, I'm very clear we should have a lot of green trees. Everybody needs to take it very small, begin with themselves, and inshallah the whole world will take care of itself. So I'm teaching my children, so when they grow up, they understand the desire, the need and the necessity of having a greener, cleaner, nicer, pollution-free and unglobal warmed globe. I think that's what I intend doing, trying to explain it to my kids first, and in relation with that, whatever little I can do in terms of using products which are recyclable and biodegradable.
All right, Shah Rukh, it is really great you could join us on the program despite the pain that we know you are in with your shoulder. Preeti Zinta is here with us. She has a question.
Hi, Shah Rukh. I find it so funny that
Hi, Preeti, how are you?
I'm good. I find it so funny that I'm saying hi to you from one place in a studio to you in the house. But I just want to say your scarf is looking really nice, A, and B.
Preeti, it's actually, Preeti, thank you, Preeti. Preeti, it's like talking on the telephone. It's not great technology.
No, but I just want to say thank you for coming on the show. And this is for all the people. I would like you to know that when we went for a Clean Mumbai campaign, I went to Shah Rukh and said, Shah Rukh, this place is really filthy and somebody needs to make a difference. And he says, come on, let's go. And I would like to say he is called King Khan for nothing, and that's why I have so much admiration for you, Shah Rukh. Thank you for being here, and I'm sure that everything you're saying, that you will make a difference.
Thank you, Preeti. That's very sweet.
No, absolutely. You know that.
Yes, whenever I'm called upon to, whenever I'm called upon to go for a cleanliness drive or anti-pollution stuff, I'll come, except for my own room. There I'll remain like a slob. So I listen to you more than I listen to my wife.
Shah Rukh, your good friend Cyrus here. Acha Baba, listen. Sir, आपने कहा था कि 2009.
So are you?
Yeah, you said कि 2009 में you're going to launch me as the face of India, as the next big thing. I'm a little worried कि there's been no messaging, there's been no calls, there's no script whip, कुछ नहीं हुआ. You know, I'm just feeling that perhaps it's not really going to happen.
Aren't you the Billu?
नहीं Cyrus, ये बिल्कुल गलत है. Because of this environmental thing that has been started by Indie TV, मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुमको मैं launch करूँ as a green tree. I want you to be a पेड़. I want you to retain your trunk because already it is as fat as a tree. And I have a little joke, Cyrus, which I want to tell you. Your main line from me as a producer would be, make like a tree and leave.
Well, sir, you're paying the bill, so I'll have to laugh. And I will be modeling this collection in my new movie, The Green Paid, which is going to be produced by Red Chilies.
Shah Rukh, the image that you're not seeing, Shah Rukh, the image that you're not seeing and you probably don't want to see is that Cyrus has got a plastic diaper in front of him right now and he's trying to decide whether he can put that on his head.
No,
That's the image
but
you're
it's
not
that
seeing.
recyclable thing. It's not the bad plastic.
No, you know what? Please. No, I'm sure it's a biodegradable and recyclable bag. You give it to your audience because they want to throw up whenever they listen to you. It'll come more handy for them.
Shah Rukh, ek kaam karo. Why don't I just come to Mandar and you keep beating me? Because there's no point insulting me so much. I'll just come there and you can keep hitting me with your chappal.
मैं तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, Cyrus. You are the only guy in this country, and I'm the only guy in this country who understand each other's sense of humor. The rest take it very personally.
You're telling me I have no friends except you.
Okay. Now, if I can interrupt this love fest for just a second.
That's it. हम ही दोनों दोस्त हैं.
if you're both quite finished blowing kisses at each other, Shahrukh, if I can just come back to the environment, Shahrukh will be delighted to know that part of what this is all about is, you know, sort of lighting up all of these villages. And we started off wanting to light up 18 villages, and I think you'll be very happy to know we've got more than 1 crore rupees, which means we can light up something like 35 villages right now, more than 12,000 people, Shahrukh, who've never had electricity, never had light in the evening, will now be able to, you know, will be able to study at night, will be able to work at night. They're going to have lights. So perhaps all I want from you is for you to say thank you to all the people who really contributed for this.
No, first of all, before saying thank you, because we are releasing a film called Billu. Right now it's only called Billu because the other part of the word has been removed.
Really?
But I would like from the whole team to, you know, we like to, I don't know what the cost is, but I've been made to understand here that it's 3 lakh rupees for a village.
That is correct.
And what I would like to do is, we will adopt 5 of them from the team of Billu Babar. Or
5
Billu,
of them?
on behalf of all the team members just now. And I think it's I think it's a very small thing that we all are doing, especially myself. So I would, on behalf of NDTV and this Greenathon drive and all the people who've been so actively involved, like Preeti, Pranoy, Vikram, Cyrus, of course, and everyone, I just want to put my hands together and thank everyone who's collected so much money for this drive. और मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हमको ज़िंदगी में खुदा भगवान बहुत कुछ देता है. यही छोटे छोटे काम, ये छोटे छोटे पल अगर हम दूसरों के लिए बिता सकें या उनके लिए कुछ कर सकें, बहुत छोटा काम है, कहीं ना कहीं पे उससे बहुत संतुष्टि होती है हमारे को, और बहुत बहुत और भी खुदा और भगवान हमको देगा अगर हम दूसरों की ज़िंदगी में कुछ अच्छाई ला सकें. So this is a great thing. More than the environment part, I would like to congratulate you and thank you for inviting me to be a part of this.
Good day.
Shahrukh, thank you so much. Thank the entire Billu Babar. You said
Billu
the second
Babar
part.
team.
Yeah, he said that you can't use the second
Yeah,
word now.
but, sorry, I don't know about that, but I just want to say...
He can't use, but we can use.
That's why they call you King Khan, because you have such a big heart, Shahrukh. I absolutely adore you. Thank you. This is wonderful. It's the highest... Is it?
It is the highest
It is the highest contribution on this show as of now by somebody. And who better than King Khan himself? So that's fantastic.
And Shahrukh, if I can just say, Shahrukh, one of the reasons why we are really grateful to you is that we started off yesterday with a target of wanting to light up 18 villages. And somewhere along the way, we said, won't it be fantastic if we can push it? And then this morning, we started having a wild dream. What if we double that target? What if we make it 36? And we sent a message to Terry and saying, hey, if we can light up 36 villages, will you be able to identify them? And they said, yes. Your contribution, the highest contribution to now, pushes us well past the 36 mark. Well past 36 villages. Shahrukh Khan, thank you so much for that.